everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to create a Discord server. So first thing you're going to need to do is open your Discord application or website, and then from here just scroll down and tap on this plus icon. So tap on this to add a server, and then in here you can tap on this create my own, and then you can choose for club community or for me and my friends. So let's try the community. And then in here you can type in the name of your server. So it's up to you. Then you can also add here a photo, you can upload, and then once done, you just tap on create. Let's just wait. And then here you go. This is already a server, and then if you want to invite people, then you can just send them the link, or you can also set this to public. And then that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!